Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My picnic loon.
Oh, yes, I am.
Let's go on a picnic, shall we?
Let's do it. I am up for a picnic at any time of the day.
You're going to be my picnic loon today. All right. Well, if
any time of the year, too.
That's right. I mean, we're in Texas, so that's practically possible.
Totally.
So we need some food to go on a picnic, and we've got the perfect, at least one component.
Yeah, well, actually, it has all of my favorite
That's
components.
true, but I mean, you know, I'd like more things in my picnic, but this is a great, let's just tell them.
I know.
We're doing our cheddar bacon ranch pasta salad.
That's like all of my favorite things.
I know.
In
Leslie
the pasta
said, I
salad.
want all of my favorite things in a pasta salad. I said, well, what about cheddar?
Cheddar.
And then, of course, bacon. And then ranch dressing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, then that sounds good.
Homemade ranch.
It's homemade ranch. So let's jump into this, you guys. It's so easy. You can make this in advance.
Yeah.
It's the perfect spring, summer dish. It's great any time of the year.
So good. Okay. Let's talk about the pasta real quick.
No, let's talk about, well, all right, the pasta.
Okay.
We were going to talk about this first, remember? But anyway, we'll talk about the pasta. So this is fusilli pasta. This is what I did. It's 12 ounces. You just want to get a nice pot of water, salted water, get it boiling, and then you're going to just drop that in. Don't dump it and drop it. You want to stir it and give it some loving. Yeah. And it's going to, just look at the package. It's probably going to be about 12 to 13 minutes for, you know, you want it to be al dente, but not break your tooth. And then
you don't want it mushy, that's for sure.
You do not want it mushy. Don't overcook it.
Yeah.
I'd rather be a little al dente than not al dente enough.
Yes.
And then you're going to drain it. Now, we don't want our pasta to be hot when we add these other ingredients. So we're going to, a trick that I do is you just, you drain it, make sure it's good and drained, and then you put it, well, you don't have to make sure it's good and drained. Just, you're bringing it over to the sink or however you're going to do this, and you're going to put it into your colander in the sink. And then
you want to get some cold water on it.
Turn the water on cool and just rinse it, and until it cools off. And when it's cool enough to hold, then it's good. Okay, then you want to make sure you shake your water off of it, and then you're going to transfer it to a bowl like that. Okay, all right. Now we're going to go back to the order that we originally were talking about. So he's going to start building. Let's tell him the components.
Yes, real quick. So I've got tomatoes. I'm going to throw those in.
Okay.
No, don't throw them in yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
We were just going to,
All right.
And then we've got bacon.
And cheddar and black olives and then some salt and pepper.
At some point, maybe we should rehearse.
No, it's better this way. Then we're going to use our favorite cheddar. Actually, it's truly grass-fed. Truly grass-fed, and this is natural aged. It's so good.
It's delicious. It's creamy and delicious.
So good. All right, talk about your ranch.
And what about those things?
The black olives.
You said the black olives. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now we're going to. Are you going to add that?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've got to get out on that picnic quick, and we better have wine. That's all I can say. Okay, so now if you're going to do this, I implore you, it's so good, but make sure you make the ranch from scratch. And you may think that's too much work. You're not going to believe how easy it is. Let me tell you how I made this. So all it is you get a nice, just a medium-sized bowl, and you add a half a cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of sour cream, and a half a cup of mayonnaise. And then you're going to want, I love going with fresh herbs. You could use dry, but I think the fresh pumps up the flavor that much and makes it taste really better than the kind of stuff you get out of a package or a bottle. It's a tablespoon of chopped chives, a tablespoon of chopped parsley, and a tablespoon of chopped dill. The dill is the real dill, I'm telling you. And then we use a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder, and you dump that in, and then we've got a healthy pinch of salt and a nice pinch of black pepper. And then you just stir all of that together. Go ahead and start.
All right. I'm sorry.
Well, no, you got to add the.
I thought you wanted to talk about.
You have to add this first, and then we do that. Okay. So anyway, then we're going to stir that and put it into a bottle, and we need to let it chill. So we're going to. I just transfer it into like a mason jar and then put a little lid on it. Let it go for at least an hour because those flavors are really going to meld, and it's going to be super delicious. And then you're ready to eat. So.
And then I'm going to put a healthy pinch.
No, we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. I promise we really did know what we were doing when we started this.
This salad is so easy that you can't screw it up. So that's why. Now, didn't you want to tell them about your bacon?
Okay, well, let me tell you while we're doing that. So let me tell you an easy trick for making bacon. I just do it in the oven. You can do it in a skillet. You can do however you like to do it. But I like this as a no fuss kind of way. I get bacon that's from the center cut, whatever you get, and get a baking sheet. Put some foil down, and then put 6 strips. We love bacon, so we go with good 6, 7, 8 strips of bacon, and we're going to then put that into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees, and just cook it until it crisps up beautifully. That's going to be usually about 15 to 20 minutes, just depending on your own oven, and then you get a knife and you just crumble it up. The ranch dressing and the bacon can be made well in advance, and that's why we have dogs. And then you can chop your tomatoes in advance. That looks beautiful.
Yes.
This pasta salad is really good when it's freshly made, but it does need to chill to let those flavors really melt.
Yes.
So we cover it in plastic and then let it sit in the fridge for an hour. Now, if you're doing this, I wouldn't recommend doing this the day before you're going on your fun picnic, but do it. You can certainly do it a few hours in advance. But if you're going to do that, put in half of the dressing, the ranch, because that pasta is going to start to absorb it.
Right.
And then right before you leave for your fun picnic, do the rest of the dressing.
Yay!
Okay, or before you serve it out for your barbecue.
All right, I'm going to stick this in the fridge for as little amount of time as possible.
An hour.
And then we're going to eat it.
And then it's close to time to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay. Yay! All right, we've made up. We're not arguing or anything.
It's picnic time.
It's picnic time.
When it's time to eat, we don't argue anymore.
That is right. That's right. We put all of that aside.
Like
Okay.
we argue anyway.
I know we never.
Ever.
We just have fun. Okay, so this has been sitting in the fridge for an hour. So what I would do, you can, like I said, you can let it sit for several hours, and it's still going to be delicious. If it's more than 2 or 3 hours, I would do half the dressing and then add more at this point. Okay,
So good.
So
It's one of my favorites.
The smell. Now, what I think is just the
It has
perfect.
quickly become one of my favorites.
Quickly, I mean very, very quickly. So now these are chopped
fun.
chives that add not only a little pop of color, which is always great, but I think it's just a great complement of a taste sensation. Okay, and
right,
now we're good.
spoon
I'm
me up
telling you,
some.
serve this at a party or at a picnic, and people, well, when we do serve it, people are like, where have you been all my life? I love this pasta salad.
That is
Give
wonderful.
myself a little more because I love it so much.
Oh, well, here. There you go.
Some things will never change.
Oh, y'all, look at how pretty that is.
Oh my gosh.
This would be the hit of the picnic.
It will be.
I'm going in. I am going in because I can't wait any longer.
Oh, yes. Oh, you actually got them all. It's your favorite things in a pasta salad.
That ranch. Y'all, make his homemade ranch.
Please.
It makes a difference.
Just don't. I'm not to disparage the bottled. Everyone loves a good bottled salad dressing. But if you're going to do this, it really elevates it to.
Yeah, because these are simple ingredients, and with that homemade ranch, it just like punches it all the way up.
It really gives it a punch.
Oh, and the black olives in there.
I know. And of course, as always, it's adaptable. So if you don't like black olives, leave them out.
Yeah.
If you like pepperoncinis, throw them in.
Or if you want to keep it vegetarian, or take out the bacon.
That's right. That's right.
But I don't want to take out the bacon. Now that is 100% ludicrous.
Oh, thank goodness.
That is so good.
I love it.
It screams summer.
Isn't there something about a pasta salad? Mm-hmm. It's just festive and fun. The bacon. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that cheddar is good.
The cheddar is so truly grass-fed. It's truly delicious. Oh my god. And the herbs and oh my stars.
Wow. I'm just going to eat that whole thing.
I know.
It's
What do you guys
amazing. Now, you can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com and many more.
You can.
Yeah.
We also have other pasta salad recipes.
Yeah,
if you're
we got
interested.
pasta salads galore.
So go to social media, like us, share us, do all of that. You guys, I hope everyone is safe and is getting to the point where we can all come together and hug each other. It's getting that way in our family, and we are so thankful.
So thankful.
We hope all of you are safe and able to start hugging people
And making this pasta salad for people.
Pasta salad. We just want to tell you how much we love you.
Yes.
All right, bye.
Oh, bye. Make some pasta salad. Homemade ranch.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, guys. Now, if you want to be a part of the Loon fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click.
Click.
Subscribe.
It's so much fun.